नमस्ते स्टूडेंट्स. I JVN Himanshu Surya, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Department of Science and Technology. Today I will cover topic is SR latch and SR flip flop. Last day I have covered sequential circuits. Sequential circuits are two types: asynchronous sequential circuit and synchronous sequential circuits. Today I will cover SR latch and SR flip flop. What is the latch? What is flip flop? Discuss about how to create SR latch, how to design SR flip flop. So let's see what is the latch. ठीक है. Latch means lock. This is the circuit of the latch. In this circuit, two inverter are used. This is inverter 1 and this is the inverter 2. If inverter 1 input is 0, output is 1, output of the inverter 1 as an input of the inverter 2, input is 1, the output of the inverter 2 is 0, output of the inverter 2 as an input of the inverter 1, it is the input 0, output of the inverter 1 is 1. This round and round. So this is the reason it's called latch. Inverter are replaced with NOR gate or NAND gate. SR latch using NAND gate. So here this is the circuit gate number 1 and gate number 2. NAND gate 1 and NAND gate 2. Two input S and R. S called set, R called reset. Output of the first gate as an input of the second gate and output of the second gate as an input in the first gate. So how to design? Everybody understand how to design this type of circuit? This is the truth table. SR4 input and output is Qn plus 1 next output. If S0, R0, S0 and R0. If any one of the 0 for NAND gate, output will always 1. Output of this circuit is 1 and output of this circuit is also 1. This is not possible. Both circuits are not 1 because both are complement of each other. Output of this circuit is Q and output of this circuit is Q bar. Both are the same. So output of this circuit is invalid. If S0, R1, S0 and R1, S0 and R1, gate number 1, NAND gate, pressurized to output of 1, output for 1. Because using of NAND gate truth table, if any input is 0, output is always 1. So S equals to 1 and output of this input, whatever 0 or 1, this is not important, but any one of the 0, output is always 1. This output is 1 as an input here 1 and here R equals to 1 or an output is 1 of NAND gate is always 0. So this is the output is 1, here output is 0. So final output is 1. It means set. Similarly, this is the 1 and this is 0. Gate number 2 pressurized 2. Output for 0. Output for not 0, no 1, because if R is 0, if R is 0 and whatever is of the input second, maybe 0, maybe 1, not important, but any one input is 0, output will always 1. Output will always 1. This is the 1 as an input in gate 1, circuit number 1. So if S1 and the output of the gate 2 is 1, 1, 1, for as an input for NAND gate, output is always 0. Output is always 0. So finally output is 0. Finally output is 0. And last case, both are 1, 1. Both are 1, 1. There are some problem. So here let assume if Q equals to 0, Q equals to 0, 0 is as an input here, R1, or this is a 0, output is 1, output is 1. This one is as an input 1 and 1, output is always 0. Output is always 0. So before previous output is 0, next output is again 0. If let assume here is 1, 1 as an input is here, this is the 0, this is as an input is here, 1 and 0, output is 1. Previous output is 1, then new output is always 1. So there are no changes, no changes. It means previous output. It means previous output is Q. Thank you.